Hey guys, I'm gonna share with you another video which I'm talking about letter T. T is the second letter. We start from B, and then the second one is T. Okay, so this is Somali alphabet phonics. T. Let's do it together. We're gonna say pronunciation first, and then we will talk about what T stand for. Then we'll talk about the meaning. Okay. Okay. The letter we're talking about today is T. T. T stand for tufaax. Tufaax. And I'm sure you might see like double vowels. You can see if you don't mention the double vowel, it will change the meaning, as I've mentioned previously. Okay. Let's say if I say tufaax, then it wouldn't make any difference. Or it wouldn't make any meaning, I mean, okay. So let's do again. T, T stand for tufaax. Tufaax. So if you want to do more, I'm going to leave you some in the description below. The other videos I've done it previously, so you can just learn from there. From now on, I'm going to do one at a time. And the reason I'm doing one is means people who want to learn Somali language to understand and slowly, slowly. So if you want to speak Somali language and learn Somali language, come learn with me. Are you ready? In Somali, we call it tufaax. So I'm going to say again, guys. No, I messed up a little bit. Delete that one. Sorry. Delete it.